Any more eggs? Is that an egg? Joe, can you find any more? Joe, where are the eggs? You want to find them? Where's the eggs? There's one. Where's the other egg? Right. You're cold. Warm, warm. There it is. Oh, it's forced to close. Yeah, jelly beans.
5-second rule.
Yeah, one or two of them I got a little carried away last night.
You putting them back in? Or are you trying to get them all out? Oh, that's a lot of jelly beans in one little hand there, man. Joe, where are you going with them all? Where are you going with all your jelly beans?
Joe, do you want to find some more? Want to find some more? Oh. Joe, can you say Happy Easter? Joe. Can you say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Likes jelly beans.
Yep. When he gets them in his mouth.